Okay guys, I will try to explain you today how to do body wave and how you can use body wave when you dance your ballroom dances like cha-cha or samba or rumba. So body wave, I get a lot of students ask me how to do it. It's, not easy to explain, but I'll try to make it as simple as possible for you. And then you will try to implement body wave principles in certain movements, and it's really will change your dancing, and it will help you to create more body actions. So let's start with the body wave. So basically open your legs, put your legs apart, hips here, relax your body, make it a little bit freedom. Now the secret for the wave is do everything in a particular order. So we're gonna do our head going first, then the chest, then the rib cage, then the hips, and then we bend our knees, then we're going back. So we're going head, chest, rib cage, hip, knees, and back. So that's the regular order of the body wave. What is very important for the body wave when you do it is, let's say, whatever body part, imagine like there is a wall, whatever body part you put forward, you have to, after you put it forward, you have to take it backward. And this could be your head, for example. If I take my head forward, then I have to take it back. It's my chin forward, taking chin back. If my chest forward, I take my chest back. If my rib cage forward, I take it forward, then take it, my hip forward and take it back. More body parts participate, much bigger and more beautiful your body wave is. So you can do head, boom, there. So let's try to do the most body parts we can imagine. So we're gonna do head forward, now shoulder, chin, shoulder, now the chin going back, bring the chest forward, now the rib cage going back, bringing hip forward, now hip going back, and we back in the starting position. So also look at this, at the body wave, like a chain reaction. Whatever comes forward, let's say if my head going forward, my other body parts are moving backward. Now as my head starts moving backward with my chin, it brings my chest forward. If my chest starts going backward, it brings my rib cage forward. If my rib cage starts going backward, it brings my hip. And then my hips bring my legs. So this is a body wave. Boom, boom, boom. Now, the most effect for the body wave is not actually in your head and in your legs, it's in the middle of our body. And that's the most important part we want to focus on, because later we're going to use this for our dancing. So we don't have to do head, but if we do it, it just looks a little bit closer. Head, but now pay the most attention what happens between your chest, rib cage, and the hip. Chest, rib cage, and hip. So chest, rib cage, and hip, they create the most body wave effect. So the same on the other leg. We just change our weight to this leg. Now try again. You're gonna go head, then you're gonna go chest forward, rib cage, hip, legs, and again, boom and boom. Now most important, pay attention on when you coming back here. That's create the body wave effect. Boom. And you just play with that on each side, and it will get better and better. Now, why we need to do body wave? First of all, in your routine, you can do different steps. You can go ta 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 ta, boom, and then can go for the body wave just as a fun effect. But let's say for the technique, when I dance rumba or cha-cha or samba specifically, I feel like many movements I use this principle, because I really like the idea that my rib cage moving first, then it through the time it brings my hip, and then it brings my leg. So for example, on very simple lock step in cha-cha-cha or samba, we can use this already, but we're gonna take out the head movement. We're not gonna do it in the head, we're gonna go only in the body. So we're gonna have rib cage, and here I feel like really like there is a waving move. Rib cage, bring my hip, and hip bring my leg in the lockstep. And the same here, boom. So body wave, boom, bring the leg. Body wave, bring the leg. Cha, 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 cha. And there is a small danger here. If you're gonna do too much head, of course you don't wanna look like that, but there is a little bit feeling of body wave actually in almost every walk. So in cha-cha-cha, the lockstep is a very good example of it. So here, you're going, feel like you're doing a small wave, boom. And also, when I practice my lockstep, I'm very often doing a little bit body wave here in place. And then I let this rib cage guiding my hip, hip guiding my leg. And that's only when I cross my leg. Where the most people I see when they dance, it's too much become leg, 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 rather than to be like a chain reaction. That's what we have in our body wave. Boom, leg, body wave, leg. Cha, 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 boom, cha. The same on the other leg. Cha, 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 boom. And I would like to remind you that when you do this type of movements, try not to, of course, engage your head. Now, for example, ladies, when they're going very often in rumba, they're going backward. It's called back basic. When they go back, forward, and then let's say 90-degree hip twist. Very often, they're just using normal technique where they transferring weight, releasing here. That's all correct. But in real life, it's also there is a little bit sense of body wave there. So, boom. So I'll demonstrate. If you're going backward like this and have a little bit boom body wave, then the movement is much better rather than just going here. So again, demonstration. For the back basic, I teach my students and require from my dance partners to do it as a body wave, boom. So it looks immediately, boom. Or like, where is the body wave here? See, I stepping, there is a little bit sense of rib cage, tummy, hip, there. Boom, boom, boom. And even when I do simple rumba walks, I feel also there is a feeling of the, almost like a wave, boom. So you have a rib cage, hip, leg, boom. Of course, you don't want to move like that, but there is a feeling of it. Now, also we use a lot in samba reverse body wave or reverse ripple. So it looks like this. You bend your knees and it's going like this, like take energy out and it's come out. So, for example, if in samba I'm doing a whisk, I'm not simply just, following technique with the correct diagonals, hips, so forth. I'm also using a little bit of special effects, which gives me body wave, but in this case it's reverse ripple. So I'm not just stepping side, I have that reverse ripple take me there, ta-ta, reverse ripple, take me there. And the same as in batofogos. When you're doing batofogos, if you're just following correct bouncing technique, it looks very correct, good, but there is not enough musicality. And then also body wave will help you here, boom. Having a little bit body ripple in your body, boom, 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 reverse ripple, yes. So now let's say if you're doing samba cruzado walks, it will have a great combination of the regular body wave effect with the reverse ripple. So for example, if I do cruzado walks, it's definitely like a reverse ripple effect, but when I do lock steps, it's more a regular body wave. So practice your body wave and try to use it for your advantage in the movements. Later on, I'll do more video detail, how I explain more in details how you can use it. But use it in a very careful way. So when you dance, don't use the head. It only happens in the middle here. Yeah, but when you want to do special effect, of course, you can use the head and the whole body.